Pepe price prediction time. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Can Pepe get back to the 17 range? Man, it's been tough right now for Pepe. Listen, the volume has remained high, which is really bullish, but we're kind of trapped in this no man's land, and we're really not moving anywhere. See, we've been trending anywhere from the 12 range to about the 15 range. We've been very trapped in this bound by this for a while. It's going to take something like a catalyst to help us break out of this. But on a technical, from a technical standpoint, we're going to dive into why we could be heading up here in the near distant future. And we were on a nice little uptrend, the last 3 days. We came down from like the 13 range and slowly came back up to like the 15 range at one point even today. Now we're trending back down, but we can see if we're going to go back up and test these. Now we're going to dive into this right here. Pepe price analysis chart pattern sets Pepe price rally to, again, that 40175. Again, right now we're at the 5014. So let's see what they say about the charts here. So a bullish breakout from this 4.7 resistance line sets Pepe's price up to make a nice 15% move. The support trend line of the symmetrical triangle pattern prevents Pepe from a major downfall. So right now, we're kind of in that accumulation phase, as you could see right here. This is our symmetrical pattern, and we're kind of basically probably going to trend here for a little bit longer. I'm thinking into early June before we really get a big breakout or breakdown. That's what we're waiting for, because we don't trade sideways forever. Now, the broader market sentiment remains pretty unsolved right now, but we know meme coins can move on their own. The reclaim resistance, as we mentioned, is that 147 level, which we're basically at it right now. We're at the 145. This resistance level, very important, and it reclaimed this resistance. By reclaiming it, it may act as potential support now and trigger a nice little recovery cycle within the triangle. The results rally could push the prices nearly 15% higher and hit the overhead resistance trend line near that 17.5 range. So if we zoom out a little bit, we were there not too long ago. If we go back last Saturday, May 20th, we actually popped back up here to the 18 range on a big candle. 17 range was right in here on Sunday. So it wouldn't take much for us to make that move, just some buyers coming in here during this accumulation phase. Now, over the last few days, the Pepe price was hovering sideways above the support trend line of that triangle pattern. Right now, we're starting to get more and more data in, which is positive for us because that helps us on the charts. Exponential moving average is that 50147 resistance. That's what we're watching for. Can we hold that line here today? Can we close over that? If we can, then we can potentially make a nice little move on the charts. Now, here's the thing with Pepe right now, guys, that I want to mention. I think it's very, very important that Pepe is staying relevant during these times because, listen, while the overall social media tweets and presence has kind of dipped a little bit, the volume is still there, and I think Pepe is going to make a resurgence into 2024 as the elections heat up because there is that narrative. Pepe is attached to those sort of narratives, and I think as long as we can withstand the test of time, those could be some interesting catalysts for us. And also there could be some unforeseen things happen out there that could help propel us as well. Who knows in terms of, what comes out from the Pepe team. But we'll be tracking it for you. That's what we're looking for right now. This has been your Pepe coin price prediction here in the short term. We've got to close over that 14.7 mark, so keep an eye on that. We'll be watching it as well. Make sure you guys stay locked in by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.